Hey guys! Today, we're diving into the wonderful chaos of cats being cats. Random, ridiculous, and zero explanation needed. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and stick around till the end for the ultimate "how did that even happen" moment. Let's get into it. Bro just activated turbo mode.
Can I yawn, please?
Fight or flight. He chose neither. He chose statue mode.
Be nice. Quick, who's my favorite 1970s rock band?
Who?
Led Zeppelin.
Led Zeppelin.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
This cat's skipping the tutorial on how to use stairs.
We're good old friends, it's a cat and I. Ha! Ah!
Ma'am, please step away from the object.
What's going on? Oh, your show's on.
No, I'm evil, Kitty, said evil Kitty.
So sorry.
Mom, is it the 25th? What you doing? No, no.
She's making bad decisions.
What's happening?
Oh my god. Taba.
Jeffy, are you in love with Josh Hutcherson?
Is the cactus your best friend?
What is your problem? The fuck is your What is your problem? Sir! What is your problem?
Good job.
Cheddar.
Oh, alah ngapain tuh? Hey, awas jatuh. Hey, hey, hati-hati.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
She's still out.
Big old cat.
Yeah, she is. She got big.
Oh my god! Juniper!
Coochie! Coochie! Why would you do that?
Parkour!
Eita, doido do cara! Que porra é isso, meu irmão? Ele tá assustado, FJ.
I'm sorry. Okay, bye. Sorry to disturb you.
Do it. Yay! Good job. Need another one. Oh yeah, cartwheels. What can you do? Nothing? Okay.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Oh my gosh. You're an animal.
Just gonna bring it. No, God. No, God.
That's
It's the first time they've been able to reach that. Oh, right. Now we have a problem.
Yeah, you can look at me and try to judge me all day, but at the end of the day, you're just a cat. What do you know? You don't know shit. You wake me up in the morning and try to tell me what to do. I know when to feed a cat. I'm a person. You can't even watch movies. You've never seen Cars. You've seen all the Cars movies. You don't know shit.
Потерял.
It's just a big fan. Be scared, Godito. Don't look at it, Godo. Godo! Oh my God, I'm dying. Don't let him look at the fan.
You see my hey man, what's up? Oh, it's been so hard these past few weeks. Like, my wife's leaving me. She's taking all the kids, and I feel like I have no one. You know what that's like, right? Yeah. Good boy.
城内还有许多侍卫伤亡。
证明你这个马当的不称职啊！我当时是在责问，为什么没有多花点时间陪我？这么看眼下景色正好，
Leonard, let's play soccer. Go! You're the best. Champ.
Chicos, les voy a mostrar lo que está pasando con mi gata. Miren, esto es un rollo de cinta común. Miren, yo hago así y ella saca la lengua, no sé por qué. Bien. ¡Ay, no! ¡No!
Betty, I made goulash. What do you think? Oh, that's insulting.
It's good.
Self-control, please. Can we? Oh my gosh.
Ripley. Ripley, stop.
Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you.
All right, let's see if we can get it. Bruno, you want to try a banana? Banana? I love you.
Can I have those back, please? Ouch! That fucking hurts. Ow! Can I Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
There you go. Good job. Wow. Kiss mommy. I hate you.
Oh! Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside because you'll invade Poland, so I really can't do that. You're gonna have to stay inside.
Atlas, turn off the light.
Watch. The amount of scratches that I give him is the amount of...
Zero interest, zero eye contact, iconic.
Ready? One. One, two. 1, 2, 3. 2.
And that's a wrap on today's chaos. Drop a like, subscribe, and comment which cat you think lost the most brain cells today, and go spoil your own furball with a treat. Catch you next time.